everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel B.L.DASH Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Also I want to welcome the students of 11th Science. The topic here important IUPAC name of hydrocarbons, especially alkane related, and this is for 11th class. And in part 2 here alkane related. In part 1 also I have explained some important IUPAC name. With following the rule and regulation, here also you see all the important IUPAC name. First one, see here if you count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. If you count from this side 1, 2, 3, that means this is near to end. That is why you will put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means here 4, because you know alphabetic ethyl comes first. 4 ethyl, 2 methyl hexane. Again see, this is from near to end, this one, and this is in 4th position. If you see 1, 2, 3 position, if you see this one 2 position, that is why you count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is why alphabetically ethyl comes first. That is why 4 ethyl, 2 methyl hexane. Next question. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here in 4th position there is a substitution. What is the substitution? This is called isopropyl group. This is called isopropyl group. So here in 4th position there is an isopropyl group. That is why here 4 isopropyl heptane. What is the name? 4 isopropyl heptane. Next one, see 3rd number here. And what is the longest chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 is the longest chain, that is why hexane. Whether you will count from this side, left side or right side. 1, 2, in 2 position there is a substance CS3. But from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 position there is a substitution. Between 2 substitution, one is methyl, other one is ethyl. That methyl comes first. So here, according to rule, here it is near to and substitute is near to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 position there is methyl group, 3 position there is ethyl group. So what should be named? First ethyl will come first. 3 ethyl, 2 methyl hexane. Again see 3 ethyl, 2 methyl hexane. Hexane is the long chain. Similarly here, what is the long chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here in 2 position there is a methyl group. This side also 2 position there is a methyl group. So it is your choice. You count from left side or right side. It is your choice. So suppose I want to count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 position methyl, 5 position methyl. So what is 2 times methyl? But position is 2 and 5. So that is why I will write 2, 5, that means 2 position methyl group, 5 position, 5th position methyl group, 2, 5 dimethyl hexane. And the 6th number, this is the 5th number, you can see what is the name. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5th position there is some substituent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there is a substituent. So you can count from this side or that side, no problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 means nonane. So it is the structure of nonane. In nonane what happened? In 5th position there is a substituent. What is that substituent you see here? Carefully you see, suppose you forget this one and this forget this one and think here instead of it is H, instead of this it is H. Then what is the structure here? That is a main substituent, propyl. Here the substituent is propyl. In propyl, 1, 2, 3. In 2 position there are 2 methyl group. Again say 5th position there is a substance propyl. In propyl 2 position there are 2 methyl group. So 5th position write first 5th. In bracket you see here what are the present. What is the substituent here? 5th position 2, 2 dimethyl propyl nonane. See here, this is methyl group, propyl group. In propyl 2 position there are 2 methyl group. So 2 poles, which position? 2 position. 2,2-dimethyl. And what is the structure? This is propyl group. 2,2-dimethyl propyl. What is the main structure? Main long chain name. So again 5 in bracket, because this is the complex one. So in bracket, in 2 position 2 methyl group, 2,2-dimethyl propyl nonane. Again see here first one 2 position methyl, 4 position ethyl. Ethyl come first. So this is the structure 4 ethyl 2 methyl hexane. Now this one, from this side it is 4 position, that right side also 4 position, and this is isopropyl group. So 4 isopropyl heptane, and because there are how many? 7 carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next is here 2 position methyl, 4 3 position ethyl, but ethyl come first. 3 ethyl 2 methyl hexane, and here it is the 2 position methyl, 5 position methyl, 2,5-dimethyl hexane, and here it is the in 5th position there is a complex structure of the propyl. In propyl there are 2 substituents, that is methyl in position, what position? 2. That is why 2,2-dimethyl propyl. And which position? Which carbon atom it is at? 5 number. That is a 5 that indicated here, and 2,2-dimethyl propyl here indicates, and nonane. So the structure is 5,2,2-dimethyl propyl nonane. Next we will see other important IUPAC name of alkane. Here this one, see 3,4,4,5 tetramethyl heptane. How? 3, 4, 4, 5. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. But how the position is calculated? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That means which side you can count? Which side? That means you can count from left, and also you count from right. So here you can say what is the name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 position methyl, 4 position that is 2 methyl, 5th position 1 methyl, tetramethyl heptane. Very simple. From this side you can count. From this side you can count same position 3 methyl and also 3 methyl. So you can count from this side 1, 2, 3 methyl, 4, 4-dimethyl, 5 methyl heptane. Heptane means 7. Now here this one. Here 1, 2, 3. That means in 2 position 2 methyl, 2,2-dimethyl. And what is the long chain? See here 3 carbon. 3 carbon means propane. 3 carbon propane, 2,2-dimethyl propane. And next one. Here see it is a complicated one. But if you from which side will count? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means here you can see this is the 8 number. 8 number means octet. 8 number means octet. Now what happened here? That means 3 position here, 3 position, 1, 2, 3 position. There is diethyl group. There is a diethyl group, because you know here 2 diethyl group and position is already 3. So 3 diethyl. This is 5, and this is the isopropyl group, and that is why here you can see this is 1, 2, 3 diethyl, and 5, 4, 5 isopropyl, and this is 4 methyl. 1, 2, 3, 4 methyl. So it is 4 methyl. That means here again see 1, 2, 3 diethyl, 5 isopropyl, 4 methyl octane, and here 5, 6, 7, 8. Now see again, it is a complicated one, but when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that will 8 carbon. 8 carbon will octane. Okay, the octane. 1, 2, 3. 3 positions there are 2 ethyl group. So it is 3,3-diethyl. And fifth number, that is isopropyl group, and 4 position methyl group and octane. 4 position methyl group and octane. So what is the name? 3,3-diethyl, 5 isopropyl, 4 methyl octane. Now next is 3-methyl hexane. Simply 3-methyl hexane. That means you will find which one the longest carbon chain. And here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you side this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means this is 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 3. This is 4, 5, 6. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 positions the methyl group. And what is the long chain? Hex. Hex means hexane. 3-methyl hexane. So here it is 3-methyl hexane. Then come to here, this one. This one you see little complicated. So you should see, if you count this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means hexane. 6 means hexane. Now here 4 ethyl. So 2, 1, you can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 long chain, there is 6 means hexane, and 2 position methyl group and 4 position 1 methyl group. So 2, 4 dimethyl. In 4th position also 1 ethyl group. So which will come first? Ethyl and methyl. So here it comes 4 ethyl. Okay, you see 1, 2, 3, 4 ethyl, 2, 4 dimethyl, and number is the longest chain is hexane. So 4 ethyl, 2, 4 dimethyl hexane. And last one, see here CH3, this side CH2 CH3, one branch above CH2 CH3 and below also CH2 CH3. Then which is the long chain? Now if you see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See 5 long chain, 5 means pentane. In 3 position ethyl group, in 3 position methyl group, which will come first? Ethyl will come first. 3 ethyl, 3 methyl, 3 ethyl, 3 methyl pentane. Again you can see here I want to write in black only because it may confuse. So again see tetramethyl heptane. So what are the position? 3, 4, 4, 5, tetramethyl heptane. Next 1, 2, 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Here from this side 1, 2, 3, because from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. So you count from this side 1, 2, 3. 3 positions there are 2 ethyl group. So 3 diethyl and 5 isopropyl, 4 methyl. It is according to what? According to alphabetical. Ethyl come first, then after that iso is not counted. P after P it is M. So iso, I is come first, diethyl E first, then I, then M. So it is diethyl isopropyl 4 methyl octane. So clear now? So next this one, here you count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 position ethyl group. So it is 3 position methyl group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means hexane, and 3 position methyl group, 3 methyl hexane. And here this is, if you count this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here from this side 2 position there is a substitution. You count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here this is the substituent group, this is the substituent group, and this is your substituent. So 2, 4 dimethyl and 4 ethyl. Ethyl comes first alphabetically. 4 ethyl, 2, 4 dimethyl hexane. And the last one, if you count which one the long chain, One is pentane, other one is butane. So pentane should be combust. That is long chain. It is correct one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the long chain of pentane. And 3 position ethyl group and 3 position methyl group. So what is the name? 3 ethyl, 3 methyl pentane. Again, you can see here tetramethyl pentane, and it is isopropyl group. I think it is clear. And here you will find the longest chain, and here also you will find the longest chain. That means wherever the question is given, you find the longest chain and find the position of the substituent, and then after that you see which is alphabetically which will come first. Then only the nomenclature in alkane can be done easily. I hope the nomenclature now you feel easy, and hope you will subscribe my channel B.L.DASH Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and also I hope you will share and like my channel.